Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna be making Afang soup. These are the ingredients I'm using. This is my crayfish. This is my cow meat. This is my pala fish, which is dry fish. This is my pepper. This is my periwinkle. This is my pomo, which is cow skin. And this is my stockfish. And this is my goat meat head. I'm using. Then this is my palm oil. This is the palm oil I will be using to prepare my afang soup. This is my seasoning cube I'm using. You can choose any seasoning cube of your choice. These are my ingredients. For this goat meat head is optional. I just need the aroma of it. I'm having 60 people function, so I'm making this food for 60 people.